How to add a vehicle to Progressive Insurance. Welcome and let's get back to the video. For this, you will like to open up a browser that you prefer in your device. In the search bar, type in www.progressive.com. You'll be redirected to the official homepage of your Progressive account. Once you are in here, firstly, you can log in into your account. At the top, head over to Resources. Scroll down. Over here, you will see the Chat Now option, or just directly select on Contact Us button. Now to add a vehicle, you can click on the Chat Now option and start chat, where a bot will walk you through the process. If not, tap on Call 24/7 and just dial in the given number. And yes, the service is 24/7. The agent will walk you through the process and answer any inquiry. Next is to send an email. For it, firstly, you will have to select a topic and fill out the following form. It will require your residential details and your personal information. Then you can enter your inquiry regarding the addition of a vehicle. By this way, you'll be able to add a vehicle after the instruction by the Progressive agent. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.